Hi guys, I just washed my hair, braided down. I'm about to put some crochet in it. So this is what I'm using. One pack, 105. Okay, so this is my station. Got my crochet, got my scissors. Okay, stay tuned for the after and the finished product. Blogging with April. Okay, I'm halfway in it. I have a few more rows to go. Gotta get these edges under subject. I'm almost there. Hi guys, I'm back with my complete style. This is the complete look. This is Passion Twist, and this is the hair. As you can see, this is the hair. V91011. Okay, so I mixed in some black. I use a whole pack. Well, this is a pack and a half. I use a whole pack of the salt and pepper, and then the second pack I used was the black. This is on 1B. This is my natural hair color 1B. So I just put in some 1B in with the salt and pepper, and they say that one pack is enough, but for my hair I think I did like probably 7 cone roll, so I just want to get that full look. So it's I use 1 pack and 1 roll of this. It comes with 3 rolls. I'm gonna take it out so you can see. So when you buy the hair, it comes with 3 rolls. See, I only had to use out this pack 1 roll. Only had to use 1 roll, and I use a full pack of this with the salt and pepper. You know, I just want to try you know, a different color just to see how that comes out. You know, I like to play around with my hair, different styles and colors. So that's what I have, Passion Twist. All together, it took me close to 2 hours to do this, and I stopped. You know, so if I just would have went straight through, it would have took me 1. But so the night before, which helped me out a lot, I washed my hair and I already had it cornrow. So all I did today was just crochet it. So all together, when you're washing your hair and installing it, it might be 3 hours. It all depends on how fast you braid and how fast you work. So this is what I have. I got a lot in here. Pretty full. I have a lot. I made sure I want the full look. You know, that's why I had to do 1 pack and a half, as I just showed you guys. So this the style. Passion Twist for the win. Something I think I'm gonna keep this in for like a couple of weeks. So this, I have my hair cone roll in. You know, I can do I can do a half up, half down. Just leave it. I can do it like this. I feather it some. So this is my complete look, guys. I'm blogging with April.